How to back up iPhone contacts to Gmail. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Contacts and tap on it. You are now in the Contacts settings page. From here, you can add or remove accounts, manage Siri and search, and customize how contacts appear. Go to Contacts Accounts. Here, tap on Add Account in the Account section. Then, choose the account you want to add from here. For example, Google. Now, type in your email address over here. After that, tap on Next to proceed. Then, complete all the steps required to add this account to your iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily back up iPhone contacts to Gmail.